Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. So it's quite a windy day today, so I apologise if there's any wind noise in this video. But today I'm going to be doing a video on how I made this planter here, just out of old decking boards which I got given. So this cost me absolutely nothing to make because I've already had the screws. I've lined it with a compost bag. So we'll be cutting the wood, sanding and assembling. So I'm going to turn the camera on and we'll get started. So I hope you enjoy this video guys, and I hope you can hear me. Right, so first things first, I'm going to cut 7 of these exactly the same length, 2 for each side and 3 for along the bottom. So I will get them cut and get back to you when I'm done. Right, so that's all the wood cut. So we've got the 7 for the front, back and bottom, 4, 2 for each side, and 8 which will be 2 on each corner as the supports, and they'll also act as the legs. You'll notice when I was cutting, I only measured the first bit each time and then used that bit to then mark up the next bit. I find doing it that way you get them all more or less exactly the same. So anyway, what we've got to do now is sand all these down, and then we'll be assembling them. So I'll start up another time lapse and I'll get these sanded and get back to you. Right then, so that's all the wood sanded. I've just given it a rough sand for now, just to clean it up a bit. So now we're going to start assembling these. Just going to be using screws, and I'm going to countersink the holes. So I'll make a start on that, and I will get back to you when I'm done. Right, so I've screwed the first layer down. All I've got to do is now is attach the bottom bits, and I'm going to put probably 2 screws in each one along the bottom, and probably a couple in each side. And then we've got to do the next level, and then we'll put the legs on. So I'll get them screwed in and the next level done, and I'll get back to you before I start doing the legs. So I'll see you in a minute. guys, so that's done now. So at the moment they're just two separate pieces. So what the plan is, with the 8 bits that we cut for the legs, is to these will be holding it together, and they will also act as feet to raise it up off the floor a little bit. So what we're going to do is screw them onto there, like that, and that'll be ready for its final sanding, and we'll paint it with some wood preserve, and we'll line the inside with some plastic. So I'll get that started and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright then guys, so I finished doing the legs now. As you can see, they look alright, but I'm going to give it a sand, and then I'm going to line it just to stop the wood rotting. So what I'm going to use is old compost bag. So keep hold of your compost bags, and if you make yourself a planter, you can turn them inside out and use it to line the planter with. So anyway, I'll get it sanded nicely, and I'll get it lined with the compost bag, and I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Right then guys, that's the planter finished. So it's all nice and smooth now. I've sanded it all nice, took all the edges off, nice rounded edges, and I've lined it with an old compost bag to protect the wood. I should have painted it, I should have treated the wood before I put that on, but never mind. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video guys, and I hope you found it useful. So this is just the price of a few screws is all this cost me. It's probably about £1. I've got the wood for free. It was just old decking boards. As you can see, old offcuts over there. So yeah, turned out pretty well. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks all for watching. If you haven't already, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Feel free to leave me a comment and like the video. Thank you very much everyone, and I'll see you next time. See you later.